Welcome to Computer Bits Daily. When you have something important to say, it is easy for it to get lost in the constant flow of messages in big WhatsApp groups. I am here for you to solve this problem. So let's get started. Here I come up with very useful font tricks and tips. This could assist you in making your messages stand out from the rest. So let me show you these tips and tricks with example to make your WhatsApp experience enjoyable. So watch till the end for something interesting about WhatsApp. Tip number 1. How to make text in italic form. For that, you just have to place underscore on both sides of the text. Let's see with example. I am typing here some message and then I will place underscore on both sides of the text. And it will become italic. See again, I am just placing underscore on both sides of the text to give it italic effect. That's it. Let's learn how to type in a bold font in WhatsApp. You have to place asterisk on both sides of the text to bold your message. Let's learn with example. Here I am placing asterisk on both sides of the text and text become bold. Very easy, right? See it again. Place asterisk and tap on send button. Now I will show you how you can apply strikethrough to any text in WhatsApp. For that, you just need to place tilde on both sides of the text. Let's see with example. To apply strikethrough effect, I just place tilde on both sides of this text. And you can see this effect is applied. Let's see again. You just need to place tilde on both sides of the text. Congratulations, you learn it because it is very simple, right? Here is something interesting about WhatsApp. The most banned app. WhatsApp is the most banned app, and more than 29 million messages are sent every minute by WhatsApp. WhatsApp is the third most downloaded Android app. WhatsApp was founded by the former Yahoo employees Mr. Brian and Jan. It was initially only available for iOS users, and WhatsApp also supports 60 different languages. Now I will show you how to change font to monospace font in WhatsApp. For that, you have to place 3 backticks on both sides of the text. Let's see with example. I am placing backticks on both sides of the text. And you can see the difference between monospace font and normal font. Amazing, you learn it. You can mix several formatting options for a single word or sentence. For that, enclose the text in the appropriate symbols to accomplish this. Mixing styles requires just that the style be closed in the reverse order in which they were opened. Now I'm applying bold and italic style on this text, and you can see both styles are combined. This is tips number 6. You can change WhatsApp font size with very easy steps. For that you have to open settings, as you can see here. Then after in setting, click on chats. In chats, select font size and you have 3 options to choose from. You can choose small, medium, large as per your requirement, and your font size will be changed according to your selection. It is very easy to change the wallpaper and app language in WhatsApp. For that, go into WhatsApp setting, there go into chats, and there you have wallpaper option to change wallpaper and app language option to change app language. Let's see in action. This is how you can set wallpaper. Same way you can change app language of your choice. And lastly, don't forget to backup your WhatsApp chats and media. Here are some inbuilt features of Redmi Note 10, like frequent phrases and cool notes. Let's see in action. Now let's play with cool fonts. Did you find this helpful? Then please hit the like button, subscribe to our channel and press the notification bell for new awesome videos. Thank you for learning with Computer Bits Daily. Keep learning, keep sharing, stay safe.